Hey everybody, so I'm not gonna apply this too much because as I said, my hair is pretty thick and they are pretty like frizzy, so I don't want to put anything which is gonna make my hair looking like, oh, it's more sticky or more dry or more hard. So I'm just gonna apply it that much, so when I'll start diffusing my hair, everything goes on nicely and the curls goes smoothly and they will last me until my next wash, kind of thing. So I hope I'm making sense. And because as I said, I have too much hair, so I like to just go over everything to make sure everything is good. And I'm gonna go to the roots, and that should do. And also, after washing my hair, I do not leave my hair in a towel. I'll put it in like a, you can even wrap up your hair in like old t-shirt or something. I have this muslin cloth. I usually wrap my hair in this. It's pretty good. It's just because the kind of effect I'm looking to achieve today, like a naturally healthy curls, I just didn't wanted my hair to be very damp or too dry. I just wanted them to be in between, because I washed my hair like what, half an hour, 45 minutes ago, but they're still really damp. So that's why I like using this muslin cloth. The next thing I'm going to do is, this is a Humidity Shield and it's a curl defining lotion, again from Marc Anthony. It's pretty much the same thing, but it's kind of, it has like a humidity shield. So if there is humidity outside, at least my hair won't get frizzy or anything. So I'm just going to apply that a little bit. With my hair I would have gone with a little bit more, but I'm going to add one more product, and that is from Bumblebee. Bumblebee. That is from Bumbel and Bumbel, and it's their anti-humidity gel oil with Brazilian oils. I love this product. This is so good because it gives your hair a bit of a shine, but then it really gives a lot of protection to your hair from humidity. So I've just put a lot of hair on my palm, and I'm just going to rub it on my palm and literally going to just put it in my hair. But don't go too heavy hand with this product, because if you put too much, it will make your hair a bit greasy and the curls will look really, the curls might look okay, but the top of your head will look really greasy. So, and I don't like that. So I like a bit of a volume in my hair. So there we go. We have applied the products, and that's about it. And now I'm just gonna you can either leave your hair like this and let it dry naturally, or you can use a diffuser and do like diffuse your hair, but more on a low to medium heat. I will not recommend to diffuse it on a high heat, because that's how you will get a lot of split ends and rough hair and everything, and you want to protect your hair from all this damage as much as possible. So today I'm going to use my Infintie Premier Conair hair dryer. I absolutely love Conair products. I use their curling iron, I use their hair dryer, I even have a straightener now. They are good and affordable brand. You can pick one from Shoppers or Amazon, or even like a superstore or something. It's easily available brand, and it's really like, it can be good budgeted item, and it's good quality as well. I do have one more diffuser which is pretty large in size. So this is the Conair one, which, as you can see, is small, and then I have this one that is really big, and it's supposed to go on any hair dryer you have. So you have a clip clamps, and it clamps it on any hair dryer. This is good if you want to dry your hair very quickly, and if you have very long and very thick hair, this would be a really good item. Now this is something which is made in China, so I have only used it once. It was pretty good though. I will link the I got this from Amazon, so I will link it in the description box below for you guys, so you can see where I got it from. It was pretty, I think it was $10, but it is pretty good. And this Conair one came with the dryer, so I'm gonna use this first time. Let's see how that goes. So let's begin. So this is how my hair is looking now. So my hair is pretty much dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna part my hair where I want to part it, or where I want to keep it for today. So if I want to go somewhere, I can just leave like this, and I'm just gonna go over some parts a little bit more, because I can still feel my hair is a little damp right here. So I'm just gonna go over a few more sections, but I'm still gonna keep my big diffuser, because with this I can put more hair and the air goes pretty much everywhere, like on my roots, and I don't have to keep it on for a very long time. I do not like using too much. So we are all done, and I'm just gonna part them a little bit more. So just set them a little bit more so they look more even and nice. And they are pretty much dried. Only a little bit is just behind my neck, but that's about it. So, which is fine. Okay, and once everything is done, I'm happy with my partition and the way my hair is looking. What I like to do is just go over with my Garnier Whole Blends Coconut and Cocoa Butter Oil. Just gonna put some on my palm. And just gonna rub it. I'm just gonna go and apply it on my ends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, I'll write down all the products in the description what I used today, what hairdryer I used, and everything else as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I shall see you guys next time. And take care till then. Enjoy your week. Happy Monday, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday now. Love you.